Hey guys, we're down in Maryland today doing some creek fishing. We have Ryan from Smashing That Bass YouTube channel. You guys will have to go check out his stuff. Catches a lot bigger smallmouth than I do. Yeah. They don't like what we're throwing, I guess. Oh yeah. Hey, got the skunk off.
Right now. Like I said, the better ones will really be further, want to go further down, but yours weighted?
Oh, yeah. He was probably 7 inches. Hey, that's the biggest one of the day. Got another little one. Yeah. Seven inches. I got another one. Small one. Yeah, come on down here. Man, that thing's like really little. Nice. Got the skunk off. I gotta change this.
A couple of them wanted to swim bait.
I gotta fix this lure. This thing's all tore up now. It's a fat one, but it's not very long. Little baby. Oh, look at that little one. Man, they fight like crazy for being that little.
I know, right?
But look, I mean, they're teeny. I mean, they haven't all been that small, but.
What size hook you got?
I'd have to show you. Oh yeah. I'm tired. Got a bunch of little small ones. I'm headed home. Ryan went on further down. I just don't have the energy for it today. This side, look at all this stuff up in these electrical lines. Yeah, nice wide part of the creek here.